welcome back. Today is Saturday. I got up early. I could not sleep last night, tossing and turning. I think I have like a lot on my mind that I'm trying to process, but my mind is not allowing me to process it in the most peacefulness way, if that makes sense. Has anybody ever like wanted to break down something and your mind tries to tell you what scenarios the outcome is going to be? So I kind of tossing and turning. And now that I say that out loud, it definitely is how the devil tries to play with your mind and tell you how something is not going to play out when God has already wrote the vision and already told you how the story is going to end or how the outcome is going to be. So y'all, I just preached to myself that month. Can I make it an amen on that? But I figured I would go ahead and get out early, you know, beat the crowd. Because I don't know about y'all, but I hate standing in long lines. That is just not cute. I got this picture from, where I get this picture from? From Ross. And I need to return it. So that's what I'm about to do now. And then I am going to go to this Home Goods over here. So I'm going to take y'all along the way. I'm looking for some charcuterie, not charcuterie, but boards to put in my kitchen. I'm going to show y'all a picture. I'm going to put a picture right there. This is how I want my counter top to look like. So I'm working on that. So that's what I'm looking for today. So alright guys, welcome back. I am about to get started on my seafood gumbo here. I wanted to show y'all what all my ingredients are before I start cooking. This is like my second time ever cooking seafood gumbo, so I'm praying, well, New Orleans style gumbo, so prayerfully it is the bomb. Well, then let me not say the bomb, because Marcus says people don't say that anymore. But here are my ingredients. All right, so we have your turkey sausage, green onions, white onions, green peppers. We have some crab leg meat here. And then I am thawing out my shrimp over there, as you can see. And then we have okra. And then we have the seafood stock. And these are my flavors here. I have the pure ground gumbo fowl, pepper, onion, salt, my special ingredient. This, Tony's, love this. And then we have, you know, salt. And I probably have some ginger. Oh, I need to get I do have some diced ginger. I need to get that out. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all in the end of how. And then I'm going to actually cook it and then slow cook it right here. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Here is the seafood gumbo. And I have my cornbread, my rice. I don't have a lot of gumbo in here because I'm not like super hungry, but get into it. I'm out here. I already know the stores that I want to go to, so I'm trying to put some pepper myself. I'm put some chapstick. I didn't have that massage. lights, so I do have to do a little quick. And my camera died. Can y'all believe that? Okay, so I have on this sweater because it is kind of getting chilly at night. So I did grab my sweater here. And then I have my pants on. And then y'all, I'm wearing my blazers for the first time. Can you see them? All right, so here is the outfit check. Let me see if I go back some more. Okay, let's go back. Let me put the lights on. It's a little dark in here. Okay, so this is the outfit here. I have on my blazers. I got these jeans from Target a long time ago. And then this sweater, y'all know that's from Shein. And this tank, I think it's for Forever 21. And I am on my way out to one of my meetups. We're going to watch Coming to America outside on a big screen. So we're gonna have like lawn chairs. So I figured, like, just in case it gets chilly out, I can, you know, wrap this, do like this, or I can wrap it like that, or I can do this right here, that number right there. Or if it gets too hot, I can just take it off. So that's what I'm wearing because I love layers here. And so yeah, that's where I'm going on my way. Never mind that plant right here. It's really suffering.
Cannot make it like this, Mary Flint, Hugh Hefner. They can take the picture, but they can't make it. Only God above.
Back to the channel. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Turn off. Hey guys. I just wanted to jump up here and end this actual vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I had a lot going on in this vlog. I cooked some seafood gumbo, as well as I did a meetup group. We went to Coming to America. Y'all, that was just so much fun. So we watched the movie outside and it was just really good. Like, Coming to America, the first one is like one of my favorite movies. So it was just like love, and the weather was like perfect, so we got to like carry our lawn chairs and just chit chat before the movie started and then just watch the movie. So that was so fun. I got a massage. Like, I'm trying to make like this self-care doing something for me every month, just taking a day off like of work, and I don't have to think about anything. I can just go, you know, do the things that I enjoy to do for a day. I am really trying to be intentional about my self-care and my mental health. So you've seen that. I've been going to this spa place for years. Me and Marcus, we normally go there for a couple massages, but I do individual massages as well. And it kind of reminds, the place is called Eden. And it kind of reminds me of like a garden, which I really love. They have like live plants and you can just smell it. It's just amazing. So I did that. And y'all, I just been super busy. I have a lot going on. Stay tuned for that. I have some DIY projects up next. I took some trips. I also did a room makeover for my niece, so stay tuned for that. But I did just want to jump up here and close out the vlog really quick here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am your girl D, who loves things on sale. And as I told you guys before, I am about to jump back into thrifting. And yeah, you're just gonna have to stay tuned. Put that notification bell on. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. I am Decinta, D-E-C-I-N-T-A. That's me. And so yeah, stay tuned, guys. I can't wait to see you guys again. I'll see you guys. Peace.